What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enter codes in Jailbreak on your mobile device as well as on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, on your mobile device or PC, open up Roblox and join a Jailbreak server. After loading into the game, you have the option to choose if you want to play as the police or criminal. I suggest selecting police, as it will make it easier to enter codes for Jailbreak. After making your selection, you should spawn into the police station. Simply look at the ATM inside the game. You can then proceed to walk towards it to enter a code from here. You can get different and updated codes from the game developers on their Twitter accounts, or discover a complete list of all working codes in my complete guide linked in the description below. You can then proceed to enter all of the codes one by one to see how many work or might be expired. Redeemed items will be immediately available in-game. On your mobile device, you can follow the same steps. Simply look for an ATM machine within the game to enter the codes. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.